Is this worth the hype? We're going to test it out right now on a Honda Civic. Want to test it out? Want to see what it shows? I got my phone. I download the app. It's called FIXD. FIXD. That's right. This is the FIXD plugin for your car to check diagnostics, check wherever errors are going on. Is this worth the hype that we see on Instagram and Facebook? Let's check it out. So I haven't done my due diligence of being a man and fixing all this ASAP. Sad but true. Keys in. Car does start up, but we do have a check engine light on, or service light on, so there we go. Got my phone. So I already used this before, but on a different car. And let's pull it up. There it is. So I have my FIXD app right there. Turn my Wi-Fi off. Okay, so there we are. Right now it's showing for my other car, my Buick Century. And now we are saving a vehicle. Now it's communicating with it by Bluetooth. Let's see what it says. And it says some vehicles take up to 2 minutes to fully scan. Please do not close the app. So we're not going to close the app. We're just going to let it scan through. And there we go. Scanning freeze frame, and it's complete. It says it needs it says it has a coolant malfunction. So I have to replace the thermostat, replace the temperature, wow, and flush the coolant. And it shows the prices of everything, the estimated prices of what it costs to get it all fixed. Let's see. Look, it says moderate issue, which I'm definitely going to get it fixed. And the consequences, it may not pass emissions tests. I mean, yeah, it's a coolant issue. And so, yeah, thermostat replacement between $281 to $532. And yeah, so, and oh, wow, look, it gives you a video explanation on why. Okay. And the common issue for this vehicle, it's a pretty big, it's common for this vehicle for this to happen for the Honda Civic. And look at all that. This is everything. This is all the data it went through and recorded, which is absolutely big. I've never actually went through all this because the Buick, I don't have any issues. But this is very impressive to see. It's very impressive to see the estimated cost of this. Oops, I don't know what happened. So for the estimated costing, that's very impressive. It's all under code details. It tells me I can clear the check engine light. So let's go ahead and clear it. Did the light turn off on the dash? No, it did not. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it actually did clear it. Put 108,000 miles. This is about the mileage she has on this. Where's my screen? It's about the mileage she has on this. So it's about 108, I think. Yeah, 108,000 miles. And so now for her 2009 Honda Civic, so all her information just popped up. 2009 Honda Civic. Next servicing is at 110,000 miles. Tells me everything I need to get done for 110,000 miles. So spark plugs, all that. And then 112,000 miles servicing. And yeah, so this is extremely, wow, this is a real deal. This is very impressive. Shows me how much the vehicle is worth. Ooh. So I'm very impressed with this. This is the FIXD app, and I'm impressed. So that's two vehicles in it now. I got my Buick Century. Then I have now our Honda Civic, or her Honda Civic, which tells me my next servicing, which is extremely dope, and gives me, okay, this is yeah, this is on hers. So yeah, this is the problem that we found out. This is currently February 26th. This is the problem that her car has popped up, and yeah, wow, I'm very impressed. I feel like this is going to be a great unit to have. FIXD app, and yeah, just plug into the O2 sensor and make sure you download the app and make sure it's Bluetooth. Make sure the two is linked, Bluetoothed in, and it does all the work for you. It pops up information you need. I think I need to move this out my travel though and put it into my vehicle folder, but that's how it looks. So that is it. It's your boy One True Gemini. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Deuces.